Let's restore a 1970s Rolex today. Today we're going to take her apart for polishing. You might hate polishing, but I have to do it. I need to sell these watches and some people prefer them looking nice. And if I don't sell watches, I don't have any money for food. So let's get into it. One side was already off when I got it, but let me try to get the other side off, preferably without using a hammer. So basically everything is prepped for polishing. So if you want to see more of this and you want to see step 2, the polishing, well, stay tuned, consider following me because that video will be up tomorrow. Bye bye.